And we are live. What's up, y'all? I know it's not Monday yet, but I couldn't wait to trade again. So here we are doing a replay of the market on, actually let me check what day I have it set on. On Thursday, April 4th. Okay, that was tricky day, a tricky day to say the least. I think the price went down eventually. I can't remember well. But what we're gonna do today is trade on the replay and see if we can catch little moves that the market made. So we have our top setting over here. So let's start the top down analysis from the 1 hour chart. We got this low. And we got this high before price. No, actually, yeah. So this high to this low, this swing is what got us to be higher. So we got this range and we got 50% of it right around here. So that's a very big range, especially on the 1 hour chart. But actually, yeah, right around here. I was just checking if the stream was working. It's working. Awesome. Okay, so now we have the top here. The fractal that is moving up now. The high. We're gonna have to make this bigger. 50% will be around here. Right in between our zones. All right, that's for the 1 hour chart. If we go through here, then that means we're breaking all these highs over here. Maybe get a rejection from all the way up here. On the 10-minute, we've got this high, putting this low back to about 60%, no, not 60, like 40% of the drop on the to the upside. Traded lower, about 50% of this swing, and then traded higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, so higher, right? If this is a continuation, then we probably assume that we're breaking the highs here. So this zone here, huge zone mapped out. But the more interesting one, I would say, oh, come on. Right over here. Left unmitigated. So price might retrace back there. And then we also have this zone here. All right. We are at the top, so let's see if we get a rejection here. But we still got some room to cover to get all the way over here. On the 10-minute, we still haven't tapped into the high putting over there. So maybe price rejects down here and then puts another high. Then 5-minute chart. We got that same area there that we have in the previous 10-minute chart. Yep. No one's watching right now, but I'm having fun. That's all that matters. Because I'm trading. It did break the high. No, it didn't break the high, sorry. It didn't. So we're turning around a little bit. Let's see how long this pullback lasts. I expect it to hang around higher for a bit, given that there were two strong trends, especially this last one has been pretty straightforward. So there might be mitigation coming up, some consolidation, distribution. A lot of big words. And it's getting hot, so I'm going to turn the AC on. 1 second. Might be a little loud, but at least we're not in an inferno. Yeah, we're pulling up from there, you see? Let's see if price starts back in there. And then on the 1-minute chart, I think they're synced. I got my charts synced up. Oh, this low, look at this low here. Before the break, or right at the time of the break. Yeah, before. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, you see consolidation. We've been here before. We've done this before. We were here on Thursday, although I cannot exactly remember what happened. I do remember this, particularly this action here, especially this one. Hard to not remember this type of structure here. It's unusual. So let's wait, see what happens. Looks like a wall. So we're at the middle of our range now. I'm going to execute small trades with no profit or target, nor stop loss or profit target. I'm looking for small action, and I'm looking to not trade more than 5 points on the losing side. but I will not have a stop loss. I'll just be really quick with my mouse finger. You see, didn't go to the bottom of the range, but it might do so later. Okay, there is definitely a wall there. So taking a short right here. There, took a short. Price looks a little bit more volume there, which could be a little bit of a reversal. We're not looking for too much action. We're mostly on drawdown. It's not going our way. We might have to take our loss here. Let's see what happens on this next candle. Okay, our entry was a bit of a support, but it also looks like resistance right above it. Looking for 5 points here. That's a good sign for us, because if it goes lower than 3-4 points, we can put a stop loss. Very likely that we get taken, but we got a good thing going. 5 points would be great. No risk anymore. Okay, it looks like that's all we're gonna get. Could be very risky if we keep going. 50 bucks in that trade. We're going to make quick scalps like that only when price gives us some kind of confirmation, which it did here. The way it moved up here, I figured there was a lot of resistance, especially coming up to the high that we've been trading below for a while. We're making higher highs and higher lows for the past, well, actually more like higher lows, but definitely some higher highs as well in the past 10 minutes. I think my mic was a bit off there. Let's put it here. Okay, so we did break the high. I'm glad I got out of that trade. We'll see if we get another chance to scalp down. A quick one. Okay, it did look like it wanted to go down. A little bit late on the entry. A little bit late. Here's my trade so you can see it. I'm shorting the market right now. Remember, this is a replay. We're at 200 speed, so this is moving a lot faster than it normally does. There's our 5 points in profit. Let's take them. Next time we hit it, we will hit it again, it looks like. 90, 70, 60. Okay. I think about 90 is the best we can do right now. All right. We got out with $90 profit. 55 plus 90. 2 trades. Let's see if we can scalp a bit more. Get some more out of the market on this replay. Let's see if we can get to 300. 300 would be really good to call it a day. Definitely price is ranging, but wanting to finally break the highs, looks like. The most speed you can speed this replay up is 400%. And right now we're at 300. Sorry, 200. Maybe we can do 250 just to make it just a bit faster, but not too fast where we can't even get in on the market. Okay, breaking the high. We got that other high. We'll see if holds up. But regardless whether it holds up or not, if we get a rejection, we're going to take it. There was a rejection. I missed it for messing with my chart. That would have been a good 50 bucks in profit. There's that 50% of the last drop, sorry, of the last peak. We did not reach it. Now we're going up. Let's see if we can scalp down. Took an entry. Does not look like it wants to go down, so I'm gonna get out. Okay, I got out. I think I took a loss. Let's see. Yeah, $15 loss, and it did go my way, but that's fine. That's fine. At least I'm in the right track. Thinking that I should have shorted that, shorted there, but the way it moved, it looked like there was a big support. We might have another opportunity to scalp up though, if we don't break and run this high, this low. Okay, we broke and run it, so now we can head down lower. We don't know. That one trade would have been the one, the real one. So a little bit too careful there, but took a $15 loss to prevent a higher high put in. And basically I did notice a lot of volume, but I did think it was going to the upside. Well, I actually did think it was going to the downside, which is why I took the trade, but then I got some indications that it might not. Let's see if 50% of this drop becomes valid. Moving at the speed of 250%, it's pretty different from the real market. Gotta be a lot quicker with your execution. So I think we have a deeper mitigation to go to on the upside. 50% of this candle. Yeah, right there. Okay. Nope. Okay, I took a long. I should have gone out quickly there with like $50 profit. I didn't, so now I'm in a drawdown, and that's a real bad drawdown there. Had to get out. I still haven't lost all my profits. We cannot let price leave us like that on a order with no stop loss. So now we're looking for any type of pushback up, but we have this area definitely wants to be probably taken, if not just a bounce back point, maybe a run through this low, potentially all the way down here. And again, I can't remember what happened on Thursday. I get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday a little mixed up. I traded all of those days, so but maybe this was the big drop that we saw during the week. Yeah, I think it was Thursday when it really dropped really sharply. But that's okay because I'm not really looking for a big swing here in this market replay. I just want to test a little bit of the quick areas and this basically no bracket order strategy I'm using at the moment. Okay, I took a long. I don't know how much higher it wants to go, but maybe not too much. Whoa, that was a good move. We're almost at 5 points in profit. Okay, we got out of that trade with some good profit. 105. We're back at profit of 145. We'll see if that 50% of the last move can hold, which would be from here to here, and then we're at that 50%, a little deeper than 50%. I think a really quick scalp would be good on this one for a short. I don't think it's ready to move forward to move up too drastically, maybe ranging a little bit from this high to that previous low. See if we can get a little better price here. I think it's ready to go down now. Okay, we took a trade going down. No, I don't like that candle. That after we were in profit, we had a very abrupt engulfing candle. Oh, but now we have a downside one, so that's good. $50. Okay, we got out of that trade. $60 in profit. Puts us at 205 in profit. We just won 300 today. That's all. The market is closed. We're Sunday. I'm replaying on Sunday, guys, live for you guys to watch. Oh, where's the camera? Over here. What's up, guys? You have me on video this time around, right? Right here. And yeah, you guys get to see my pretty self. $300 in profit. That's all we want. So we need 205, but that's without the fees. So let's see with the fees. I want 300 even. Where is it? 176. So we got still 124 bucks to make. 124, that's 6 points and a half. I would like to long from here, but could be ready to trade lower now. So we would consider that a full flip of structure. We're already considering it after breaking this low. Not really breaking this high. Very tough to tell which one's gonna happen here. We're at noon already, moving really quickly at 250% the time. Okay, we did go down, broke the high. Sorry, broke the low. Probably trading out of the range. And now that we have more of a flip, we can look ahead to short with more confidence. Took a short position. Price did not really want to trade higher. Maybe a little too soon after we just made that low. Yeah, too soon. Well, we're about 5 points in the loss. We might have to take a loss on this one. But the bears say, hold my beer, man. Yes. So we're in a profit now. Let's see if this low holds. Oh, it did hold. That's not good news. Come on. Oh, it did hold. That low held. So now we gotta get out. One more chance. Come on. Yep. That was it. Oh, I didn't get out. Oh, we ran running highs. 5 points in loss. One more drop, I'm out. Okay, we got out of that trade, even though it's going our way at the moment. We might consider a scalp up after that low held right here. It would be a good idea to put a stop loss right below that, because we're not against using stop loss. It's just we just wanted to get in with that one. So sell here. Well, we should have taken the profit when we had the chance. No dice, back to only $47 in profit. So our goal of 300 is looking worse and worse. Okay, triple bottom, quadruple bottom. But now I'm thinking more bearish. Doesn't look like a flip. Maybe another rejection. We'll see. Yeah, looks like a rejection again. Another long position here. I was about to take a second contract when the price was lower, but I didn't, but that's fine. Still in profit at the moment. Oh, rejected, broken, gotten out. All right, we're $40 in a loss. It's only 10 here, but with the fees and stuff, it adds up to 32.12. We're going lower, ladies and gentlemen. This is the day that the price crashed, now that I remember correctly. So it's a little bit unfair on my part, because I can just take a short and let it run. So let's see if I can find a good place for, like I said, a good scalp. With no drawdown, basically. Right there. Okay, we took a short. Put a stop loss. Ooh, our stop loss was in the perfect place, but we should take advantage of that and get out. Ooh, we didn't. So stop loss denied. 5 points. This is how quickly you can lose to the market. That's why we don't do this like this in real life. This is just for fun. I do this for fun. Actually, really, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't really want to trade today at all. But I got the new setup that you're seeing, and I thought let's try it out in live stream and see how it holds up. And honestly, it's looking pretty good. I think I might keep this for the next trading days, and I think you guys will like that. And I'm trying to look for reversals when I know the market dropped on drastically on Thursday. So really there was no chance to get in on a long. But I'm still doing that because I already know it's going down. So I'm just trying to see how the support areas hold up. And as you can see, I am losing now another trade. This time it's a much bigger loss. And it could go a lot lower from here. Okay, so we got out. We're almost 300 in loss. Oh yeah, 300 to the dot. So we're out for the day. We wanted to make 300 before losing 300. And obviously we couldn't do it. I am glad that I got out early on the actual Thursday. Okay, I got cooked doing the same thing I just did right here where I was trying to long the market. And what I'm trying to do lately is to ignore the market when the price is heading down. It's so much easier to get in on scalps when the price is going up. I guess it's for me because I have a hard time seeing the areas. Like for example here, I see another area that I got tapped into the 50%. I took a long position. Let's see if it holds up. I doubt it, but I'm gonna put a stop loss. And I'm gonna do as every amazing trader out there does is when they're a little bit down, they put another contract to get a discount or a double loss, right? Which one is it? Yeah, we're probably not going any higher than that. So we'll see if we get a pull up and then get out. Yeah, the problem with this strategy, that's one thing I wanted to really test, is that strategy with no stop loss and then putting the stop loss after the entry is made, which I did here. No, I don't think it works for me. I think I'm probably better off having a bracket order. We went through right through the line and we're probably headed lower now that that line has been broken. That was weird what happened there. Some kind of manipulation going. So maybe we're trading higher now. for a little bit. Okay, let's go for a Hail Mary. 3 contracts. No stop loss. Let's gamble it all. Oh, by the way, guys, before I forget, this is not financial advice. Let me put in the disclaimer. Where is my... There it is. All right, the content is for entertainment and educational purposes. Okay, these are just my opinions and they're not financial advice. I do not sell products and I'm not affiliated with any trading platforms or tools. Trading involves risk. It is important to conduct your own research, consult with a professional, and I assume no responsibility for any damages or losses caused by the use of this content. Especially on Sundays. I'm less liable on Sundays. All right, we're going down, baby. Maybe not yet, though. Maybe we're going up higher for now. All right, 3 contracts, Hail Mary. Long live the Bulls. Actually, long live the Bears. We'll see. Oh yeah, bearish, bearish. Oh, I should have done it. That would have been my Hail Mary. Look at that. All right, we didn't get a chance. Which area? This is not gonna hold. So yeah, this is kind of unfair because I already know we broke this. I could just wait for the upside and then look for a drop. Like right here. Okay, I took a trade, 3 contracts. Yeah, probably gonna hit that wick again. You see that? Woo! Oh, it didn't give me much. It looked like it did, but just because 3 contracts is a lot of money, but I'm 560 down, so if I could get to 500 it would be nice. Then I'll just take a couple more trades and call it a day. Ooh. All right, I got out of that trade. Probably going lower, but it's getting a lot of pullback. 150, right? Down, something like that. 139. I got out at the right time, but maybe another short here. Let's do 2 contracts. Yeah, you see that? It's so easy because we already know what happened. But yeah, trying to go up when the price is really crashing like this is one thing I gotta stop doing. I have to wait for a long time, even if I don't take a trade, for a real reversal. And then maybe scalp up or even scalp down. But I just tend to do so much better when price is going higher. I should do something about it, right? I should get better at trading with prices going crashing like this, but it's hard. It's really hard to get in for me. I don't see the structures as much as I see them on the bullish side of things. Like here, this all looks like reversals. We finally hit a spot of reversal possibility, but I wouldn't even trade this up. I mean, I would. That's the problem. I would trade this up. You see how he went down? Okay, so now let's chase it for a little bit. Took a short. Ooh. Okay, I got out of that trade. I'm back at break even with a $60 profit. So I'm 145, but so many trades that the fees have added up. That's 15 trades, 36 contracts, 60 bucks in profit. Even, but look how even on a, when you increase the amount of contracts you use, you can get really good at even winning when you have a low percentage of winning trades, or lower, not too low, of course. But imagine high percentage of winning trades and good use of contract allotment. That would make us very profitable. Thanks for joining me, guys. Again, I didn't really want to trade today. I am super tired from the week. I had one of the most tiring weeks I ever had in my life. I did a bunch of stuff. And I'm glad I actually finished Sunday on a good note, giving you guys a live video. What can you say? This week I crushed it, but I'm exhausted. Um, but I did want to try out this setup, with the with the setup. You can't blame a person for trying. All right, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Say hello to everybody. Peace.